Barack Obama dressed as a pirate with his mother Stanley Ann. 1960s. Gertrude Ederle, first woman to cross the English Channel. 26 August 1926. Done in 14 hours and 31 min, beating the male record of 16 hours and 33 min. Photos of the day she did the record. London 1940. A girl sitting in the wreckage of her bombed-out home with her doll. Luzon woman, 1875. Group of friends enjoys the beach and sun in the 1940s. Inarviat, Nunavut, northern Canada, 1949. An Inuit girl descends into her ice igloo house. Dorothy Counts, the first black girl to attend an all-white school in the U.S., being taunted by her white classmates at Harry Harding High School in Charlotte, 1957. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't miss other interesting information.